The goal was to look good naked and to look good in my clothes. That's all I wanted, really. And I feel like I have achieved that. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about how I lost my belly weight. I don't feel like I've completely lost my fupa, but how I lost the fupa area. I find that this is one of the most asked questions from women, whether that be on Instagram or YouTube when I post my fitness content. I thought it would be beneficial if I not only talk about what I do, I also show you guys some of the workouts that I do, and at the end of the video I'll also incorporate those. The first thing a lot of fitness gurus or fitness influencer or fitness coaches like to tell you is that to lose your fupa or to get a six-pack or abs or whatever, you have to do it in the kitchen. Nutrition is first, blah 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 blah. And while that is very much true for women, especially women that have had children or suffer from diastasis recti or just having their core ripped apart when carrying children, this is, I want to say not true, but this is like the furthest thing from the truth. You can eat healthy, you can eat clean and still have a fupa, lose weight everywhere else, but still have a big belly. And while nutrition is important because I feel like it is definitely important, I feel like emphasis needs to be made on actually doing strength training for all your body, and also strength training for core. You have to re-strengthen your core area. You have to try to fix those muscles, because when you have diastasis recti, it's basically the lower part of your abdomen. Those muscles kind of like separate, and you have to work out to get them close back together and connected. So you have to put in a lot of strength training. And I will say, if you're losing weight, you're naturally going to lose weight from your belly area, because you can't spot lose weight. So if you're gonna lose weight, you're gonna lose weight from your arms, your legs, your butt, your back, your belly. But there are certain things that you can do to target these areas, and I feel like the best thing to do is core strengthening and core training. I personally do core strengthening and core training about 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how I'm feeling or what my body is telling me. I go based off a schedule, but sometimes I will switch it up just to make sure I'm not too accustomed to like my workout schedule and routine, because if you get too accustomed to something, then you can plateau and it not work for you anymore. So depending on how I'm feeling, I schedule my core training 2 to 3 times a week, and I go to the gym 5 days a week. So I'm gonna tell you guys my workout split. So Monday and Tuesday I do legs and a little bit of cardio. I don't do a lot of cardio on these days. I try to get in between 15 to 30 minutes. I normally get in like 15 to 20 minutes really, because I like to do sprints on my leg days now. Then Wednesday is upper body. So I do all upper body stuff on Wednesday. I work my back out. I work lats, biceps, triceps, arms, just all full upper body workouts. A lot of people like to target specific muscles and specific muscle groups when they're working out. I actually do not do that. I try to work out is either upper body, lower body, or core training, and I try to actually incorporate all the muscles in those segments of my body. And then Thursday and Friday is my core and strength training. So I do like anywhere from 50 minutes, maybe more, maybe an hour of actually No, it's not an hour, because I do like 45 minutes to 50 minutes of core strengthening and core training, and then I like to do like 40 to 50 minutes of cardio, and I do that Thursday and Friday. And a lot of people may be wondering why I split my workouts like that, and it's because on the weekends I tend to drink alcohol, which is not good for progress, and I tend to also incorporate carbs in. I eat my rice and peas, I eat pizza, I eat whatever I'm feeling for on the weekends, because when it comes on to Monday and Tuesday, then I go back to a clean diet. And when it comes on to Monday and Tuesday, I'm going to need those carbs, I'm going to need those high level of carb to push through my lower body workout, because I lift super duper heavy weights. Another thing I will say is, please, if you want to lose belly fat, any fat as a matter of fact, you're going to need to stay in a calorie deficit. So calorie deficit basically means is that what you put into your body as far as food and protein is concerned is less than you burn. So for example, you did 10,000 steps today and you only burned about, let me see, 1,000 calories, guesstimating 1,000 calories. That means that for that day you can only have between 800 to 900 calories of food intake if you want to lose weight and lose fat. That's the big thing, losing fat, and it is what's going to give you or show you a lot of progress along with strength training. Also, if you're trying to grow your butt, that's a lot of things. A lot of people want to lose weight, but they are scared that they're going to lose their butt, which was one of the major things that I didn't want to happen. So I started my journey with a body recomposition. So instead of just going flat out to lose weight, I'm recompositioning my body to what I want. I wanted to lose my fupa area. The goal was to look good naked and to look good in my clothes. That's all I wanted, really. And I feel like I have achieved that. You have to lift heavy weights in order to maintain your booty area. Not only that, you have to constantly be upping the amount of weights you lift to actually grow that area, and you have to get the right amount of protein in. So if you're not getting it organically from like chicken, fish, eggs, turkey bacon, hot dogs, whatever source of protein you choose to have, if you're not getting it that way, you have to drink it like in a protein powder form. And I've been trying to come up with like creative and innovative ways to incorporate protein powder in my diet, because protein powder have a specific taste and not everyone likes it in like smoothies or juices or stuff like that. So stay tuned for that video, because I'm gonna upload what I eat in a week or a day or some video along those lines, so you guys can see how I eat and how I actually get the amount of protein I need to actually grow the glutes area while also losing weight in the belly or the fupa area. And also, based on your height, weight, and what you're trying to do, whether that maintain weight, lose weight, or gain weight, is how much protein you're supposed to intake. So I will leave the website on where I found how much protein I should be taking, and I'll leave it in the description box for you guys to check it out. So honestly, I feel like those are really my tips and tricks as far as losing weight in the belly area, the fupa area. And I also feel like cardio is super duper important. Cardio needs to be incorporated in your workout regimen consistently, because this is how you're going to lose fat. And in order for you to lose the fupa, you're gonna have to lose the fat around your belly area, and cardio is a major way of doing that. Lifting alone and core training alone will not do it, so incorporate cardio. So for now, I'll see you in the next clip where I'm showing you what I do for core training and cardio. And that's it. So before anything, you're going to need to stay consistent. These exercises are not the one size fits all, so please be mindful of that. My results are over a 6 months period, and you need to be consistent. With that being said, I try to incorporate the machines that I use at the gym. I like to do 3 to 4 machine, and then I like to do 3 to 4 exercises that require me to use my own body weight when it comes on to abs and core training. The ones that require my own body weight, they're simple and easy, and you can actually do those at home also, which you guys will see in the clips coming up. So stay tuned.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I started to do. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, types.
So I was about to end this video and then I realized my clip with my stomach vacuums did not record. I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. So I like to incorporate stomach vacuums, whether that be at the ending of my workout or my beginning of my workout. Also, during my core and strength training days, I do not wear a waist trainer. I don't have a problem wearing it when I'm lifting during upper body or lower body days, but in order to get your core engaged, you can't wear a waist trainer. That's just my tip. I used to do it, don't do it anymore. So if you guys like this video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Comment which other areas and which other workout split you guys want to see. I know somebody asked me about how I got rid of my bra strap fat. That may be a next video I do, so comment if you want to see that video. I will definitely show you guys the exercises that I do. Also, if you guys want to see it, you guys have to tell me, so and I'll make the video and show you the workout routine. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.